Next, we move on in formation of partial differential equation by eliminating arbitrary function. This is the third type of problem where function phi we need to eliminate to form a partial differential equation. But observe it, a phi function is of composite function. Phi is function of u and v, and phi function is equated to 0 to form an equation. The function is of different kind here. So in this case, to form a partial differential equation, we adopt it partially differentiating phi with respect to u and with respect to v. But observe that u and v are function of x, y and z. So here we need to differentiate first phi with respect to u, then u with respect to x, plus phi with respect to v and v with respect to x equal to 0. So here this is a partial differentiation of composite function we have done, applying chain rule concept. So what it will be, let me repeat, phi with respect to u, then u with respect to x because u is function of x, then plus phi with respect to v, v with respect to x because v is also a function of x. Or you can bring this term to right side. Similarly, partially differentiate phi with respect to u and u with respect to y variable, plus partially differentiate phi with respect to v and v with respect to y variable. And here we are not going to differentiate phi with respect to z. The reason is z is dependent variable here, dependent variable with respect to x and y. X and y are independent variable. Hence only you need to do a partial derivative with respect to independent variable x and y, not with respect to dependent. Now to obtain it, to eliminate the function, so if you brought this term to right hand side, observe that. Now how to eliminate phi function? It is very easy to eliminate. How? Just divide this equation 2 by equation 3. We left out with dou u by dou x divided by dou u by dou y in the left side. Minus also get cancelled here along with dou phi by dou v. So right hand side left out with dou v by dou x divided by dou v by dou y. So we need to find out now what is dou u by dou x and what is dou u by dou y and what is dou v by dou x and dou v by dou y. As in this problem we considered u as function of xyz, this term we have considered it as v, x square plus y square minus z square. So partially differentiate u with respect to x means differentiate it only with respect to x. Derivative of x is 1, derivative of y is 0. Since z is dependent on x and y, we need to differentiate z partially with respect to x. So dou z by dou x. Similarly, with respect to y means x is constant 0, derivative of y is 1, z is a function of x and y, hence partially differentiate z with respect to y also. So here dou u by dou x we got it as 1 plus p, dou u by dou y as 1 plus q. In the same way here, partially differentiate v with respect to x is 2x, this is 0. Differentiation of z square with respect to x is derivative of z square is dou z and differentiated z with respect to x partially, so dou z by dou x. 2 taken common, x minus z into dou z by dou x is written as p. Similarly, partially differentiate v with respect to y 2y minus derivative of z square is 2z, dou z by dou y. Take 2 common, y minus z, dou z by dou y can be written as q. So substitute this answer in this equation. So what we are getting it, the simplified answer, just cross multiplied, 2 get cancelled, 1 plus p into y minus z cube, 1 plus q into x minus zp. Then open the bracket, multiply the bracket here, they have multiplied it, and observe that minus pqz get cancelled, and anything else will get cancelled? No. Then bring the terms to right side, except x, bring this 2 term to right side. So py plus pz, this term becomes plus. Then bring this to left side, qx minus qz, and y is brought to right hand side, so x minus y. And here p is taken common, here minus q is taken common. This simplification you can do it in any way. So when the function is of composite, and if you need to find out the if you need to form a partial differential equation, so the way of the method of differentiating a composite function, this condition equation 2 and 3 will be same in all the type of problems. Only based on u and v the problem is going to differ from 1 to 1. Observe that in next problem, that f, instead of phi function, f is given. As it is composite function, u and v. See, this step is same in throughout in all the problem. Differentiating partially f with respect to x and y using chain rule concept. Dou f by dou u and u with respect to x plus dou f by dou v plus v with respect to x equal to 0. Right hand side it is 0, so 0. And bring this term to right side. Then similarly f, dou f by dou u plus dou u by dou y plus dou f by dou v plus dou v by dou y equal to 0. Bring this term to right hand side. To eliminate f function, divide these two equation. So you are going to left out with this term. So here differs also partial derivative of u with respect to x and v with respect to x, partial derivative of u with respect to y and v with respect to y. So u and v, based on this, only the u and v functions changes in all the problems of composite function. Till this step it is same in all the problem if you are need to asked to form a partial differential equation of composite function. Okay. So here how to differentiate u with respect to x? 2x, 2y constant, derivative of z with respect to x, dou z by dou x, that is nothing but p. And then v with respect to x, this is 0. Here you need to apply product rule, because z is also function of x and y, so you need to differentiate z also and x also. Hence apply product rule. 2 is taken outside, z kept as it is, derivative of x is 1 plus x kept as it is, partial derivative of z with respect to x is dou z by dou x, that is p. Similarly, differentiate partially u with respect to y. Again here x square is constant, you need to partially differentiate z with respect to y because z is function of x and y. So apply product rule. Y kept as it is, derivative of z with respect to y is dou z by dou y. It is written as q here with another notation. Plus z as it is, derivative of y is 1. Now similarly, partially differentiate v with respect to y. Derivative of y square is 2y plus 2z is constant, 2y, and 2x is constant. Derivative of z with respect to y, dou z by dou y, is denoted as q. Substitute this term over here. So You need to substitute this answer in equation 5. Here obtain answer, substitute. So here it is shown, cross multiply x plus yp into y minus q, y plus q into z plus xp is cross multiplied, and open the bracket like directly and simplified further. This simplification you can go through xp. xy pq term will get cancelled. Here which terms you can take common for p? For p it is y square minus xz, and similarly for q it is x square minus yz, and left out is z square and minus xy, that the xy is brought to right side. This form you can write it down anyway. It's not required that you need to simplify in this way itself. You simplify the answers and keep it according to your wish. It's not that you need to write it in this form itself. Okay.